Hello students. Today we'll discuss about the how to insert the rational numbers between two rational numbers. In the last class, we discussed about the insert the rational numbers by the method of first method, second method to equivalent fractions or same denominator method. So today we discuss the new methods to insert the numbers the formula given in your book y minus x divided by n plus 1. So where y is what? Y is greater than the x. So the two numbers are given just like 2 and 3. So x and y. Insert say 10 numbers between them. So n is equal to 10, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So in that process we insert too many numbers we inserted. In the previous methods 1 by 2 x plus y. Naturally, insert the rational numbers. If anyone say that the insert the rational numbers only, nothing divide the how many. So we just use that methods to insert the numbers. Just like any fraction or anything, if just 0.1 and 0.2. So only the insert rational numbers. In that cases we use that formula. One by 2, 0.1 plus 0.2, 1 by 2 into 0.3, equal to 1 by 2 into 0.3, so 0.15. So that is the decimal numbers lies between them. So using that formula for use, so d is equal to y. Y is 3 minus 2 by 10 plus 1. So d is equal to 1 by 11. So how to number insert? So number insert means x is the smallest number, then x plus e, again x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, x plus 5d, and so on. Means first number is 2, 2 plus 1 by 11, 2 plus 2 by 11, 2 plus 3 by 11, and 2 plus 4 by 11, 2 plus 10 by 11. So using that 2, we take the LCM is the 11. So 22 plus 1 by 11, again 22 plus 2 by 11, 22 plus 3 by 11, 20 2 plus 4 by 11, 22 plus 10 by 12. So you change that. So 2, 22 plus 1, 23 by 11, 24 by 11, 25 by 11, 26 by 11, and 32 by 11. So you just check it. See, if that number will be greater than or less than 2 or 3, so you just divide by 23 by 11. 2, 1 decimal 0 0 9 means 2.09 is the lie between 2 and 3 or not. Again, you just last check it. 32 divided by 11. So that value is that 2.9 only. So all the fractions just will just find means all the value of that x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d in also that the lie between the 2 and 3 only. So the three methods for inserting the rational numbers between them. First, find the average method. Second, the equating the denominator means denominators को equate करते हैं. Third, by the that method. All methods are using for the inserting the rational numbers only, not the irrational. That method are used for only the rational numbers lies between them. So next examples are based on that question formula. Sir, anyone say that, sir, how to find the 1 by 2 9 number, insert 9 numbers between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So first of all, we just compare it. Which is the larger? So how to compare? So that the 3 and 4. So 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2. Means x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 2 by 3. N is equal to 9. So putting that d is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 divided by 9 plus 1. So d is equal to, we take the LCM. Three and 2 is 6. So 4 minus 3. So d is equal to 1 by 6 by 10 by 1. So d is equal to 1 by 6 into 1 by 10. So d is equal to 1 by 6. Then again we use same method, x plus d, x plus 2d, x plus 3d, x plus 4d, and so on. So x is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. So 1 by 2 plus 2 by 60. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 60, and so on. So first check 60, 30 plus 1 is equal to first 30, 15 plus 1, or you not be simplify, you just simplify or not be simplify. I just first of all not be simplify. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 60. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 60. So what? 60, 30 plus 2. 60, 30 plus 3, and so on. So 31 by 60, 32 by 60, and 33 by 60. So if my question is that 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, if you change the decimal, so 1 by 2 change into the 0.5, or 2 by 3 is divided to 6.664, or 31 divided by 60, 0.056, 0, 1, again 0, 1, means like 0.516. So 0.516 is greater than and less than. So just you will check that the number 33 by 60 or so on. So all the values lies between the 0.5 and 0.66. So all the value you just find out that is the correct, because all the lies between them. You just check it the fractions, decimals, whole numbers, or anything. All the questions based on that insert the rational numbers between is also be solved by the method or the formula d is equal to y minus x by n plus 1. N is equal to the number of rational number inserted, then y is the greater than the x. That's the condition. If you cannot be check it, you just put any. So any questions, just anyone give a question, sir, 5 by 4 and 4 by 5. In that cases, if you assign that the x and that is the y, in general we cannot be compare that in the cases. So that is the wrong. Why? Because we just compare it first of all. So that 5 into 5 25, 4 into 4 60 means 5 by 4 is greater than 4 by 5. So in that case is 5 by 4 is the assigned by y and 4 by 5 is the assigned as x. So first of all you check it ki which fraction is the larger. The larger fraction is assigned as a y and smaller fractions assigned as a x. So then if that process when we use that will be the correct. If you just in hurry you just put the first number is that x and that second is the y, you just assigning the all questions, but that questions if the given for the checking in that cases will be the defaulter, you will not be justify your answer. In that cases you just all the answer are in the negative. अगर इस पे बनाओगे तो सारे आंसर आपके निगेटिव्स आ जाएंगे, तो क्या हो गया वो गलत हो जाएगा. अब चलो इसको सॉल्व करके देख लेते हैं. वही मेथड है जैसे आप लोग बनाए. चलो आप लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस अबाउट टू हाउ टू फाइंड द रेस्ट ये फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. वेरी कॉमन टॉपिक just I discuss with you, but some students are explaining, but all of the students are not explaining that. So a square means multiple of same number, means x into x equal to x square, 5 into 5 is equal to 5 square, 0.3 into 0.3 is equal to 0.3 का square is equal to 0.09, because 1 into 0.1 equal to 0.01. Then square root. In class 8 we study about that. They finding the square root by the different methods. First, by prime factorization method. Second, repeated subtractions method. तीसरा, long division method. और चौथा था estimation method. But all the methods are useful in the study, but in a general life, in a practically, we just most of common solution we use by the long division. So how to divide the using the long division methods? We just question is that 2, 1, 3, 5, 6. Just for example, I cannot. So first of all, you just pairing on the right side. So first number we get the 2. You just find the numbers which is the square of that number is like that. So 1 and 1 we put in. There the additions are occurs and where the subtraction are occurs. And at a time two numbers, a pair of the digit to carry. The problem we were starting from that. Someone are using say 5. So how that problems? If you just get 2, so just you multiply by the 1, then we 1. So we get the 21. If 2, again the 2 is 44. 5, 125, 6, 136. 2 approaching all that stuff. So 4. Means which number you just multiply. If you multiply by the 1, so we just also that format 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So just nearest to the 230, 130 will be the 96 because 96 if 25 is the 125, it is the more than. So we use the 4, 4, 4 and there is the 90. Again subtraction and again adding. So 13, 7, 70. Again carry over the pair of that number. Again 28, you just 1 and 281, 2, 2, 4, 2, 8, 6, so the nearest is 716. So we use that the 6, 6, 1, 7, 1, 6, 0, 4. Then if that not be completed, then put the decimal again to 0. 6, 6, 12, 8, 1, 9 and 2. You just in that cases 292. Again we use 1, 1, 2, 9, 2, 2, 9, 2, 2, 4, 4. So that's the more than. So we use the 1, 1, 1, 2, 9, 2, 1. again 9, so the 2, 2, 9, okay, again 2 zeros. Always carry the 2 digit in that, so that the continuous to the solution of that. That's the method. So square root of that is the approx 146.1. That is the answer, not that answer. So if it is in a whole numbers, if question are given in a decimal number, so in the last day questions that point 1, how to solve that sub point 1? Any problem? No any problems? You just in a decimal you just pairing of the left side. In a whole number you just pairing the right side. 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. Anyone? You just in a whole number you just pairing the right side. In a decimal you pairing the left side. So first decimal. So 10 means 3 into 3. So 0.3. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 into 3 is the 9 minus 1. Again 00. So wait 1. Again 20. So 6 to 5. Six to 6. So approaching the 6, you 6, 3, 7, 5, 6. So the value of the square root of 0.1 equals to 0.316. Next questions we discuss about that. If the number combined with the in that cases the first, so 1 is to 1, 1, 1 and so 14 is carry over. If 24 then decimal carry over the 26, 8, 2. 6. So approx 6 1 7 1 6 0 1 and 1. This 6 is a 12 9. Okay, again the 2 0. So approx 2 9 2. 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 9 9 is 36 and that is a greater than, so 2 9 2 3 approx 3. This is a 9, 2 is 6, 2 is 6, 9 is 27 or 2 is so this answer is the 14.63 is the square root of that number. So the different type of the questions, I think all the students have understand that how to find that the square root of that decimal number, whole number. So the next class on Tuesday we discuss those, so those students cannot be understand, then we discuss with. Thank you.